Hello guys, this video is about myself. My name is Yash Tarun. Currently I am pursuing the Mechatronics Engineering at SNS College of Technology, and I have completed my schooling in Sri Sudabrahma Maharishi Vidyalayam Matriculation High Secondary School with a pass percentage of 70. The reason for choosing a Mechatronics Engineering is I have a lot of interest in the course side, and for that reason I have currently studying embedded systems, and I want to develop my knowledges in both hardware and software sides, and the expert companies in this field was Qualcomm, Continental and Bose, and my dream was to place in this company with high packages. To develop my area of interest in this field, I have done 3 projects, mainly in both hardware and software. The projects are Rain for our robot. This is fully in electrical and software side. And another project is Smart Energy Meter. This combines both hardware and software. The main scope of this project is in India. To develop my knowledges, I have done many online courses in online portals like Prepinsta. By doing this, I have gained more knowledges in my course side, and my hobbies are reading books and playing cricket. Thank you.